So I have a question for you all. When you're finished with your projects, what do you do next? What's your next step? I'll go ahead and give you guys a couple of seconds to think about it. And while you guys are thinking about it, I'm going to go ahead and give you all the perfect answer to this question. In today's engineering management lesson, I have a special guest for you all, and his name is Sam Rumel. Now, Sam is a geotechnical engineer with AECOM, and he has a special tip on how to undoubtedly contribute to your growth as a professional by doing this one thing. So Sam, what advice do you have for us today?
I think it's really easy as engineers, especially if we're pretty busy engineers, finish a project and kind of put it on the shelf, maybe come back to it every once in a while. But generally, I think the biggest career advice I've ever gotten is, once you finish a project, take a little time away from it and then come back to it, in your personal time or kind of when you have a little bit of free time, and reflect on what you did right, what you did wrong, and what you could have improved upon. These are arrows in your quiver. These are, how you've kind of built yourself to where you've been to this point. So taking lessons from your previous projects is really helpful in improving your own engineering career and kind of bettering yourself for the future in your hopefully successful career.
So I hope that you all have enjoyed today's engineering management lesson with Sam Rumel. And what I've gotten from this is that documenting the lessons that you learned, the processes, the procedures, and all of the intricate steps that go into finishing your project, all of these things will certainly improve your knowledge. And I mean, think about it. If you were to land a similar project in the future, this tip alone would help to develop your future processes and also help to develop your subject matter expertise. Please consider smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel below, and also connecting with us on our other social media platforms. We produce videos weekly for our viewers to learn, connect, and become better managers and leaders in the engineering industry. I'll see you all in the next video.